Ooh, I'm walking. This is my pathway. Oh my God. Pathway to the back of my house. Oh my God. Shit. Oh, Lordy. Lordy, Lordy. Everything's gonna get freaking carted off. Everything's gonna be gone. Oh my gosh. See, I left stuff undone. And now it's gonna be all gone if I don't do something right now. So that's what I'm doing. Trying to rescue my dirt. Oh, don't want that going away. Can't afford another one of those. Oh my, look at this. I'd say it's a couple inches up. Look at the cricket. I don't like crickets. I'm glad it's, oh my God, it's coming next to me. Holy cow. I need real galoshes. I don't think these are gonna last. Holy cow. Oh my God. Oh my God, my gandules. Oh my gandules. Oh no. Oh, one of my gandules fell over. I gotta rescue it. Oh, I'm scared. This is crazy. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is nuts. Holy cow. Ooh. Oh God. Up. The seal's breaking on my boots. Yes. Yes it is. Okay. We're gonna put those skies together so, oh, that's cold. That's really cold. Oh God. Oh, I feel like I'm in the fucking ocean. Oh my God, I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. Ooh, shallow water, please. Oh my God. Oh my. There's one of my pots over there. I'm not going after it. It's big enough. They'll figure out whose it is. I'm the crazy garden lady. Holy Lord. Well, at least the pools of dirt haven't washed away. Okay. I don't think I can lift those. Everything's getting a good watering today. Oh my. Okay, yeah, so well, that's Hudson, Florida. Living on the water. A high price of good living. You can't even see land. I know you can't see shit because obviously my lighting sucks on my phone. Oh, look, my pallet's floating away. I was gonna finish it. Oh, good Lord. My progress today. I didn't get too far on this one. That's okay. Ooh, the wood's flying away. Oh, there's the doggy's ball. I'll rescue it for little Allie. What the hell? Oh, that's my... It's okay. Yeah. My recycled items. Oh, shit. Okay, you stay there. Please. It's probably still gonna fly away. Holy cow. Wow. Okay. Oh, I'm not going under the ladder. I'm still not doing it. Don't ask why there's a ladder in the front of my house like that. Oh, there's my trash can. Nice. My car caught it. The water's just going so fast. It's like really going fast. Going all the way up the street. I wish you could see it. Holy cow. Oh, I'm not even going to bother with that. I wish you could see it rushing. Can you see it rushing out from there? From the neighbors? It's rushing out. I saw it on the security camera. That's what made me get up because I'm like, what the hell is that? Oh my gosh. Well, glad I could share that with you. I am going to get back upstairs and dry off and I guess try to enjoy the rest of my evening. I'm just, okay, yeah. I'm just worried about my stuff in the garage. Oh, hear that? Wait, hold on. Let's see. Oh. Let's see. Oh, crazy life.